मैं शायद उसको नहीं पहचानूंगा. I might not recognize him. I might not recognize him. तुम्हारा कोई दोष नहीं है, तुम नहीं जानते थे. It's not your fault. You didn't know. It's not your fault. You didn't know. उसने अभी तक मुझसे बात नहीं की. He hasn't talked to me yet. He hasn't talked to me yet. उसने कल आने को कहा था लेकिन शायद नहीं आएगा. He said he would come tomorrow but he might not come. He said he would come tomorrow but he might not come. वह उनसे मिलना नहीं चाहती है. She wouldn't like to meet them. She wouldn't like to meet them. मैं तुम्हें अभी वहाँ छोड़ सकता हूँ. तुम्हें कोई बात नहीं कहनी? I can drop you there now. Won't you like to say something? I can drop you there now. Won't you like to say something? तुम्हें उससे बात करनी चाहिए. तुम्हारा बिल्कुल कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. You should talk to him. You wouldn't lose anything by doing so. मुझे परेशानी हो रही है. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाना चाहता. I am in trouble. I can't go there. I am in trouble. I can't go there. तुम्हें उससे बात करनी चाहिए. मैं तुम्हारी मदद कर सकता हूँ. You should talk to him. I can help you. You should talk to him. वह उसे बहुत देर से खोज रहा है. He has been searching for it for a long time now. He has been searching for it for a long time now. मैं उसे नहीं मिल सकता. उसके पास कोई समय नहीं है. I can't meet him. He doesn't have any time. I can't meet him. He doesn't have any time. तुम मुझसे नहीं मिल सकते. मैं बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. You can't meet me. I'm very busy. You can't meet me. I am very busy. वह अपनी जान नहीं बचा पाया. He couldn't save his life. He couldn't save his life. वह अपने सपनों को पूरा नहीं कर पाया. He couldn't fulfill his dreams. He couldn't fulfill his dreams. वह उसे नहीं ढूंढ पाया. He couldn't find it. He couldn't find it. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं उसे जानता हूँ. I don't think I know him. I don't think I know him. उसने उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछे. He didn't ask him any question. He didn't ask him any question. तुम उसके घर नहीं जाना चाहते हो? क्या तुम उसके घर नहीं जाना चाहते हो? Don't you want to go to his house? तुम्हारी ये जगह अच्छी नहीं है. तुम्हें इसे बदलना चाहिए. This place of yours isn't good. Don't you want to change it? उसने उससे कभी लड़ाई नहीं की. He never fought with him. He never fought with him. उसने उसे नहीं बताया. He didn't tell him. He didn't tell him. उसने उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा. He didn't ask him any question. He didn't ask him any question. उसने अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाया नहीं. He didn't educate his children. He didn't educate his children. उसने अभी तक उसे नहीं बताया. He hasn't told him yet. He hasn't told him yet. उसने उसे नहीं समझाया. He didn't explain it to him. उसने उसे नहीं समझाया. He didn't explain it to him. तुम उसे नहीं मिलना चाहते? क्या तुम उसे नहीं मिलना चाहते? Don't you want to meet? Don't you want to meet him? उसने अपने दोस्तों को नहीं बताया. He didn't tell his friends. He didn't tell his friends. उसने अपनी जगह नहीं बदली. He didn't change his place. He didn't change his place. उसने उससे नहीं बात की. He didn't talk to him. उसने उससे नहीं बात की. He didn't talk to him. उसने अभी तक उससे नहीं मिला. वो अभी तक उससे नहीं मिला. He hasn't met him yet. He hasn't met him yet. उसने उससे लड़ाई नहीं की. He didn't fight with him. He didn't fight with him. वो अपने सपनों को नहीं पूरा कर पाया. He couldn't fulfill his dreams. He couldn't fulfill his dreams. तुम क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो? Why aren't you coming? Why aren't you coming? क्या तुम उससे नहीं मिलना चाहते? Don't you want to meet him? Don't you want to meet him? उसने उससे कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा. He didn't ask him any question. He didn't ask him any question. उसने उसे नहीं बताया. He didn't tell him. उसने उसे नहीं बताया. He didn't tell him. तुम उससे क्यों नहीं मिलते हो? Why don't you meet him? तुम उससे क्यों नहीं मिलते हो? Why don't you meet him? वो उससे नहीं मिला. He didn't meet him. वो उससे नहीं मिला. He didn't meet him. उसने उसे नहीं मारा. He didn't kill him. उसने उसे नहीं मारा. He didn't kill him. मैं नहीं कर सकता. I cannot do it. मैं नहीं कर सकता. I cannot do it. उसे इसके बारे में नहीं पता था. He hadn't known about it. He hadn't known about it. ये काफ़ी है. This is enough. ये काफ़ी है. This is enough. मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम चले जाओ. I don't want you to go. मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम चले जाओ. I don't want you to go. मैं नहीं जानता किसने किया. I don't know who did it. मैं नहीं जानता किसने किया. I don't know who did it. ये नहीं हो सकता. This cannot happen. ये नहीं हो सकता. This cannot happen. उसे ये नहीं पसंद था. He hadn't liked it. उसे ये नहीं पसंद था. He hadn't liked it. मेरे पास कम पैसे हैं. I don't have much money. मेरे पास कम पैसे हैं. I don't have much money. मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not doing it. मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I am not doing it. उसे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. He must not have done it. उसे ये नहीं करना चाहिए था. He must not have done it. ये बहुत लंबा है. This is very long. ये बहुत लंबा है. This is very long. मैं नहीं देख सकता. I cannot see it. मैं नहीं देख सकता. I cannot see it. उसे नहीं मिला. He hadn't got it. उसे नहीं मिला. He hadn't got it. ये बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. This will be much better. ये बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. This will be much better. मैं नहीं करूँगा. I won't do it. मैं नहीं करूँगा. I won't do it. उसे नहीं आना चाहिए था. He must not have come. उसे नहीं आना चाहिए था. He must not have come. ये सबसे अधिक हो चुका है. This has been much more. This has been much more. मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता. I don't think so. मैं ऐसा नहीं सोचता. I don't think so. उसे नहीं दिखाई दिया. He couldn't see it. उसे नहीं दिखाई दिया. He couldn't see it. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. This is too much. मैं नहीं जानता था. I hadn't known about it. मैं नहीं जानता था. I hadn't known about it. उसे नहीं खरीदना चाहिए था. He must not have bought it. He must not have bought it. ये बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. This will be much better. This will be much better. मैं नहीं बोल सकता. I cannot speak. मैं नहीं बोल सकता. I cannot speak. उसे नहीं मालूम था. He hadn't known about it. उसे नहीं मालूम था. He hadn't known about it. यह बहुत सस्ता है. This is much cheap. ये बहुत सस्ता है. This is much cheap. मैं नहीं चल पाया. I couldn't walk. मैं नहीं चल पाया. I couldn't walk. उसे नहीं लगता था. He hadn't thought so. उसे ये नहीं लगता था. He hadn't thought so. ये बहुत अधिक हो गया. This has become much more. ये बहुत अधिक हो गया. This has become much more. मैं नहीं जानना चाहता. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. उसे नहीं पता था. He hadn't known about it. उसे नहीं पता था. He hadn't known about it. ये बहुत खतरनाक है. This is much dangerous. ये बहुत खतरनाक है. This is much dangerous. मैं नहीं खाना चाहता. I don't want to eat. मैं नहीं खाना चाहता. I don't want to eat. उसे नहीं दिया गया. He hadn't been given. He hadn't been given. ये अधिक नहीं है. This is not much. ये अधिक नहीं है. This is not much. मैं नहीं कर सकता था. I couldn't have done it. मैं नहीं कर सकता था. I couldn't have done it. उसे नहीं दिखाई दिया. He couldn't see it. उसे नहीं दिखाई दिया. He couldn't see it. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is much bigger. ये बहुत बड़ा है. This is much bigger. मैं नहीं मिल सकता. I cannot meet. I cannot meet. मैं नहीं मिल पाया. I couldn't meet. उसे नहीं चाहिए था. He must not have wanted it. उसे नहीं चाहिए था. He must not have wanted it. ये बहुत अधिक हो जाएगा. This will become much more. ये बहुत अधिक हो जाएगा. This will become much more. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. मैं नहीं जानता. I don't know. वो नहीं जानती. She doesn't know. उसे नहीं लगता था. He hadn't felt like it. उसे ये नहीं लगता था. He hadn't felt like it. ये बहुत खुश कर देगा. This will make much happy. ये बहुत खुश कर देगा. This will make much happy. मैं नहीं समझता. I don't understand. मैं नहीं समझ पाया. I couldn't understand. मैं समझ गया. I understood. उसे नहीं मिला. He hadn't got it. उसे मिल गया. He got it. उसे नहीं मिला. He hadn't got it. ये बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. This could be much good. ये बहुत अच्छा हो सकता है. This could be much better. मैं नहीं कर सकता था. I couldn't have done it. मैं कर सकता था. I could have done it. वो नहीं कर सकती थी. She couldn't have done it. उसे नहीं मालूम था. He hadn't known about it. उन्हें नहीं मालूम था. They didn't